boys. Give us room to sport. For this is the place where we wish to resort for the resort of the people of very much remember good folks. 'Tis the Christmas time. This Christmas time, before you do appear, we wish to act our Merry Christmas here, for we are the control the streets. We are the actors in fight for our meat. We are the actors in show and play. Entertain the champions and jealous, where is he? Clear the way.
No, that's me. Bonjour, bonjour, mes amis. Comment allez-vous? Aha! The stately knight, well armed with sword and shield, approaches marching proudly o'er the field. Sir knight, where camest thou? And pray tell me where thou art bound, thy name and country so to claim. I do not fear thee, though thou look'st quite big, nor for thy long sword do I care a fig.
Well, I be man to insolent, yet I will condescend, thus briefly to reply. A knight am I, am not unknown to fame, St. George, the bold of England is my name. Ooh. Still in front of battle foremost found, by field and flood for martial deeds renowned. Many brave knights I've stretched upon the plain, towns have I taken, mighty giants slain, and lately, 'tis indeed to these dragon I have killed with this good sword a furious dragon.
And dragon, ladies and gentlemen, well,
Right, deeply enamoured of the lady light, the world I trouble tonight, more fair, more virtuous, more divine, in any realm or country there to be. And this I say our true days any night. By deeds of arms in fierce and mortal fight.
St. George, St. George, thou talkest like an ass, so full of conceit. Nor will I let thee pass till I have banged thy high, thou empty ghost there, despite thy swaggering arms and long cheese toes there. A knight of France, St. Denis, famed am I. And ere we part, I should mean to try whether I cannot lower thy lofty tones and bring thee captive to thy marrow bones. Forced to confess in this world so round, the Dames of France are still the fairest man.
Never, thy heads are off its shoulders soon I'll lock, and that foul mouth of thine forever stop. An English knight when coming to the scratch, for two of France has always found a match. They fight.
stand back, everybody! These swords have been known to come through Nelson's foot. No, we've got the special dying coaches and the new health and safety thing. The dying coach down for the person to die.
I will stop you.
Stop you. Die!
Get on,
Die a Frenchman's hand. Our fate too cruel.
I think I have given St. George's gruel.
I am St. Patrick.
Hey!
An island gave me birth in dearest Dublin, the sweetest place on earth. A sword or shillelagh, equally I wield. To crack a head or cut a throat, I'm well skilled. Fighting and eating and drinking me trades, with some spare time devoted to the ladies. St. George, I see he's floored, I see. So now come and take a turn with me, St. Denis, from frogs of France, without a fiddle. I'm going to make ya dance.
Oh, that's incredible, isn't it? That's amazing dance. That thing. What's the dance?
This man is there a broken head, born in a bog and on potatoes fed. No bog nor merchants of the like thee more. This weapon shall send thee to the Stygian shore. I'll put a stop to thy bulls and brew, and rid the world right quickly of a rogue. They fight.
Stand back, everybody! Stand
I
back!
have skills.
John Down was with us earlier. He
It's time to die.
If you've got some shopping to do, now might be the time. Ready?
Alas, St. Patrick, 'tis rather queer I feel, run through the body with thy Irish steel. Pretty good fellow for a Dr. Rowe. Oh, soon St. Denis shall be no more.
Hello, is there a doctor here?
Rowe!
Hello! Is there a doctor here?
Friend! Did you call a doctor?
Where's your bag?
I am here. I don't need bags. I've got pockets.
What's in them?
What did I say? Johnson by name, for all sorts of ills. I have lotion, potions, powders, bolus, and pills.
And from whence came ye, doctor?
From France, from Spain, from Rome, I call my travels, all parts of Christendom. Couldn't find a park in Castletown, sheesh, and I couldn't get a bus up to Craignash.
And that's well spoken, doctor. What can you cure?
This is the best. I think this is the best thing, but others have other thoughts. All sorts of diseases, whatever you please, no pains within, no pains without, the plague, the palsy, and the gout, the cholera, over to complete specific. I would never fail in the grand specific. The itch, the stitch, and the molly drops. I can cure all these dates, that's it. Oh, big-bellied maids and such like jades. Likewise, I'll pledge my life, where is she? I can cure a scolded wife. Let them be cursed, I'll ever so stout. If the devil is in, I'll blow him out.
I prithee, doctor, cease thy bothering. Can't a midwife in this case we do not want. The aid obstetric for some female friend is not what we need, so I'll jalap recommend. These wounded knights straight away demand thy care, because they've been run with swords here and there.
Run through the guts is a sure sad disaster, but even for that, I've a surprising plaster.
No.
You'll be wanting to know next how much I
It's. Tell me, doctor, what is your fee?
No, I would tell him I make no to you, and he's got the words on the back of his shield, isn't it?
And tell me, doctor, what medicine do you carry?
Well, I carry in my pocket several bottles, actually. Let's see.
It's a surprise element.
All right, go with this. A little bottle of Rexum with cockalory.
Aye, cockalory.
Aye, cockalory. A little of this to their lips. Soon their bigger shall restore. And let them fit and active as before.
After all.
After this squabble, let us join our hands together and we must dine. Hungry I am and ready for grog.
I'm pretty good at reading.
And it is now time for a glass of grog.
To a good meal, I've nothing to lose.
Not I was surprised, but will surprise you both.
Then here's success to all brave boys of stout and gallant hearts.
Field of banquet fought, prepared to play a part.
We handle well
a fork and knife, likewise a sword and spear. And we wish a Merry Christmas and a good New Year. And we wish you a good New Year. We're hostile dance and frolic, it's a fight we all slack. Our roast beef and plum pudding, we make a stout attack. We handle well a fork and knife, likewise a sword and spear. And we wish a Merry Christmas
and a good new year, and we wish you a good new year.
And now let's to dinner.
Stop! I wish to know who's to come down my £16.5 million overspend before you go.
This morning, I had 10 penny, my dear, but on the road, I spent it all on beer. And now, I've got absolutely nothing in my breeches.
It does show, doesn't it, ladies?
So, St. George, can you settle out with this chap?
I'll have to rhino too. I've not a rat, but... nor I. But I will borrow a pound note. Call again tomorrow.
I'm fairly fiddled. Birds of the same feather, all three, and humbugs all together. No cash and call again tomorrow. All a bubble. The doctor's built. Lost at a time of trouble. Good folks, take pity on my mishap, and kindly drop a tenner in the Munjavanga collection bucket. And so, Mary, and don't clap because there's more to come. And so, well, you know that anyway. And so, Mary, well, you might not have wanted to clap. You might have been quite happy not clapping. Anyway, don't clap. And so, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Turn you all with plenty of good beer.
In comes I, who never came yet, with my big head and little wits. Let my wits be ever so small, me and me cudgel will hammer 'em all. If you don't believe the words I say, enter in, little devil doubt, and clear the way.
In, come on, you little devil doubt. If you don't give us money, I'll sweep you all out. Oh, it's money I want, and money I crave. If you don't give me money, I'll sweep it to your grave. Big hat, there's war wherever we go.
Where? Where?
There! No, there!
Too late for the
Oh!
Die! 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 Everything's better. There lies the body of old Big Head. Where he lies, the devil cries. Kill! Kill! Kill!
Don't clap yet. Just wait a minute. I was listening to the
I can never remember the words. Read the shoes. People had the words in the back of the field. I should have made the shields so they couldn't read it.
Another bee. Too late. Hey! Hey! Oops, the sausage gone that way. You won't see this at the gate in theatre. We asked, but they wouldn't have us. Oh, look at that! Hey! We've given up doing perfect shaped stars because they're far too easy to do. These are complicated stars, and we're